I got a package. I got a package. I got a package. Yes, I got a package. It's Christmas time. Literally, it's Christmas time. But every time I get a package, I'm excited. No. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Rissa again, coming through with another video. So in this video today, I'm going to be opening up my FabFitFun box. So this is a quarterly subscription. This is my first time actually getting up this box. I just started, so this would be the winter collection box. And I know when I first ordered it, they let me choose like 3 items that I could get. So I choose the first 3 and then they choose the rest. So let's get into it and see what's going on here. Okay, so I've already started to open the box. So when you receive the box, you're going to have a clear stick on here to protect it from opening while being shipped. And as soon as I open the box, I do see, of course, brown paper. But they have coupons from like different areas, like HelloFresh and HBO Max and things like that. And they also have their own magazine, FabFitFun. The first item I see is a Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Star blemish patches. So it says breakouts happen, stars align, but fear not, it's not the end. Cute enough to be worn during the day. Lucky Stars blemish patches are packed with powerful natural ingredients that team up to suck out impurities, smooth skin, and reduce the potential for scarring so you can shine like the star you are. So whenever I get some blemishes, I'm going to these and see how they work out. Okay, so the next item I received in my box is Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. Let me show you. So this is it. I'm trying to get it to where you can actually see the wording. The next item I received is Butanique Beauty. I hope I'm saying their name right. A Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So they have 4 individually wrapped masks in this package. Okay, the next item I received is Daily Concepts is vegan. It's a daily facial dry brush for radiant looking skin. I'm gonna show you how it looks outside the packaging. Okay, so this is how the brush looks. Okay, the next item I received is, let me see, a Phase Zero Making Moves blusher. So let me see what this actually is. Let me see. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so it's a little compact blusher. And here is the color. And excuse my nails, I haven't done anything with them. And it comes with a little cute compact mirror, so. Okay, so the next item I received is Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. So I'm gonna get it close for you to see. And I'm gonna also take it out of the package so you can see how it looks without the packaging. So here is how I look without the packaging. So basically it's a pore perfecting exfoliator. It helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, it helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. Okay, the next item I received is what I chose because I've always wanted a different robe. So this is a cute robe that I was able to choose from because They do let you choose. They let me choose 3 items. I know if you get the other subscription where you pay everything up front, I think you can choose more, but I will have to double check. So this is the robe. It comes with a hoodie, and it's so soft and like it just. If you just imagine yourself getting out the shower and just feeling all clean, then you put this bad boy on, and it just feels like a baby blanket. Like seriously, and the inside is wonderful too. Like just this soft feeling all over your body. And my favorite thing is that it comes with pockets. So pockets, girl's best friend, pockets. So it's by Summer and Rose. So that's who made the robe. And this is it fell out, but it's to go around the robe to cover yourself up. So I will be wearing this tonight when I get out the shower. Okay, and this must have fell at the bottom, but they did send me a kind bar. I love kind bars, and I'm so excited because they actually sent my favorite one, which is the dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. So okay. So my last item in my FabFitFun box is, let's see. Oh, it's my mugs that I chose. So I chose these 2. I really don't have any type of mugs, and I really do want to start investing in them because I just started drinking tea and stuff like that, and I think they're so cute. And it comes with 2, so, and I think it came with a little tea pack. No, it's not. Funny. It's actually, you have to throw these away. It's to keep the packaging fresh. And it's by Lily Pulitzer. I think I'm saying her name correct, but this is the inside. This is cute. I really love this. I cannot wait to use them. Let me see if the other one looks the same. Looks the same exact. It's here. Okay. So they do look similar. So, but they are cute. So I'm so excited I chose this. I'm gonna step my tea game up, you know, because I'm not a coffee person at all. I have too much energy anyway. Okay, so that's all the items I received in the winter box. I'm really impressed by FabFitFun, and I will continue my subscription with them. So, you know, give them a try. I know they always have promo codes if you're interested in trying. Of course, I don't have one, but yeah, I do recommend FabFitFun. They are, it's worth it, to be honest. Like, I think the first box is like $39.99 a month. And then after that, it's like $49.99. I'm going to check. And then I'm going to put it in probably right here somewhere. But I just want to fact check because I forgot. But, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, love, and happiness.